When does legislation become law in the United States? Imagine a new idea for a law that could change how communities operate or how individuals live their lives. Before it can have any real impact, it must go through a detailed process that involves multiple steps and careful consideration. Understanding exactly when a piece of legislation becomes law helps clarify how the United States government functions and how citizens are protected by the laws they follow. The process begins when a member of either the United States House of Representatives or the United States Senate introduces a bill. This is a formal proposal for new legislation or an amendment to existing laws. Once introduced, the bill is assigned a number and is then sent to relevant committees that specialize in the bill's subject matter. These committees review, hold hearings, and may suggest changes or amendments to the bill. If the committee approves the bill, it moves forward to the full chamber for debate and voting. In the House of Representatives or the Senate, members discuss the bill and may propose further amendments. After debate, a vote is taken. If a majority of members in that chamber approve the bill, it proceeds to the other chamber, where the process repeats. The second chamber may suggest amendments or changes. Both chambers must agree on the final version of the bill before it can move forward. Once both chambers pass the same version of the bill, it is sent to the President of the United States. The President then reviews the bill and has several options. They can sign the bill into law, which makes it official and enforceable. If the President signs the bill, it becomes law on the date specified within the legislation or immediately if no date is specified. Alternatively, the President can veto the bill, sending it back to Congress with reasons for rejection. Congress can override the veto with a 2/3 majority vote in both chambers, at which point the bill becomes law despite the President's veto. If the President neither signs nor vetoes the bill within 10 days while Congress is in session, the bill automatically becomes law without the President's signature. In summary, legislation becomes law in the United States when it has successfully passed through the legislative chambers, received approval from the President either by signing or through a veto override, and is officially enacted. This multi-step process ensures that laws are carefully considered, debated, and reviewed before they take effect, maintaining a balance of power and protecting the rights of citizens.